One team, one dream. In the peaceful village of Vasantpur, there was a small school with a group of bright, enthusiastic children. They came from different backgrounds, but their love for sports brought them together. The school had always participated in the annual village sports competition, but they had never won. The children decided this year would be different. They were determined to bring home the victory. Their coach, Mr. Kumar, gathered the children one afternoon. You have the talent, the spirit, and the potential to win this year, but remember, it is not about one person, it's about the team. A team that works together can accomplish anything. The saying goes, one team, one dream. Together, you must aim for the same goal. The children were excited, but also nervous. But coach, some of us are good at running, others at jumping, and some of us are better at throwing, said Ronnie, who was great at long jump but unsure about running. Mr. Kumar smiled. That's the beauty of a team. Every player brings something special. When we unite, each of your strengths will help the team succeed. You must support each other in every event, and celebrate each other's successes as your own. As practice began, the children faced challenges. Ronnie struggled with running and often fell behind. Arjun, who was great at running, felt frustrated at first, but then remembered what Mr. Kumar had said about working together. He slowed down and encouraged Ronnie. You can do it, Ronnie. Let's go together. We're a team. Ronnie smiled and pushed herself to run faster, focusing on the rhythm. With Arjun's encouragement, she completed the race with the team. They all cheered for each other, no matter who won or lost. In the field events, Priya, who was an excellent thrower, saw that Neelam, who struggled with the javelin, was feeling defeated. Priya shared her tips. Don't worry, Neelam. It's not about perfect throws, it's about giving your best. We're in this together. As the day of the competition approached, the team worked harder than ever, helping each other through each event. Ronnie practiced running with Arjun, Neelam improved her javelin throw with Priya's guidance, and the rest of the team trained in their respective events. They were no longer just a group of children from different backgrounds, they were a united team. On the day of the competition, the whole village gathered to watch the sports event. The students of Vasantpur school faced teams from other villages, and the competition was tough. But the children gave their best in every race and every game. They cheered each other on and celebrated every small victory, just like Mr. Kumar had taught them. By the end of the day, they had accumulated the highest points, not because any one child was the best, but because they had supported each other, working together as a single team with a shared dream. When the announcer declared Vasantpur school as the winner, the whole team jumped in joy. We did it! Ronnie exclaimed. Mr. Kumar beamed with pride and said, this victory is yours, children. You showed that when you work together as one, no goal is impossible. Moral of the story, one team, one dream means that when everyone works together towards a common goal, they can achieve great success. True teamwork is about supporting each other and uniting strengths for a shared purpose.